Hey guys, thanks for coming back to my channel. This is Jessica, also known as Curly Vegan Jess. Today, for the first time, I'll be using just egg. I haven't eaten eggs in over a year and a half since I've transitioned, and I was super excited to try this recipe. Now, before pouring the just egg, of course, you want to make sure you shake it well. When you flip it over to the back and look at the ingredients, it's awesome to see that the main ingredient is mung bean, which is a legume, and there's no egg or dairy product in it, and there's zero cholesterol compared to real eggs. So I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of iffy on what the eggs would look like, but this brand got the color down on this. Like, it's similar to eggs. Of course, add your seasonings just like you would when you're making actual eggs. I put a little bit of garlic powder, also some cracked black pepper, and then I cut up a few things on the side to add into the burrito once the eggs were done. I wasn't exactly sure how the eggs would cook or how fast they would cook, nonetheless the texture. So I cooked this on low. That way, cooking it on low, I had more control over how the eggs cooked. I didn't have any cheddar cheese, so I used what I had on hand. It was a nut cheese, pepper jack flavor, and I added this to the eggs and slowly melted it. One thing about me, I love to add spice to my food, so here I chopped up some jalapenos to add into the burrito. I also sliced up some avocado to put into the burrito as well. I was just so excited to try this Just Egg brand, you guys, that I didn't even really have everything I needed to go into this burrito. Like, I could have included salsa or something else within it, but I rushed because I was so excited. But you get the idea of the consistency of the eggs and how they cook and the color, and I'm super excited. I'm gonna give you a close-up of these eggs. Just look at the texture. It looks so much like real eggs. I personally like to warm my tortilla, so I just warmed it in a separate pan, tortilla on both sides, and then started to fill the tortilla with the egg and my other ingredients. In my breakfast burrito, I added the eggs, some sliced avocado, some sliced jalapeno, and of course, like I told you already, I rushed to make this because I was so excited to see how the just egg would come out. So you can add a little bit of anything that you want. I wish I would have had salsa and a few other things, but I think this came out pretty good. Now, time for the reveal. Now, look at the consistency of these eggs, guys. So crazy. And it was pretty good. I hope you get time to try it. Click like and share. And thanks for watching.